Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are blessed. I pray that you guys are ready for Thanksgiving because y'all, I'm really not. But I have a new wig for you guys, and this one does come from Unice, and you can find them on Amazon. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. But I picked up this gorgeous ombre EasiContour V-part glueless wig, and this is what it looks like. It does have 5 wefted clips. It does have 3 combs, adjustable elastic band, as well as a drawstring in the back, giving you a super comfortable fit. This wig does feature their magic V-line design, which gives you that skull-like arc right around the V-part opening, which makes this unit lay down very flat and looks as if it is coming straight from the scalp. But y'all saw the title. Y'all know what I'm getting ready to get into. I would like to add some color to my hair. Now my hair is a little on the thinner side. I mean, I feel like I can get a good trim, like at least a good 3-4 inches or so. I'm just kind of taking my time with my hair, really trying to grow out the damaged parts. So I just decided to incorporate this V-part wig into my little hair routine, and it has some color, it has some fullness, some thickness that I can get along with using my natural hair. So right now I'm just parting off the section that I want to blend in with the wig. Now I am going to be doing a middle part, so I took about 3 different sections, a section in the back, sections on each side, and I just went ahead and put that away just for now. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just prep my hair. I'm just going to throw it in a ponytail, nothing too special, just to where it's out of the way. Gonna braid that down.
Come catch your vibe, roll out with me. Come catch your vibe, come catch your vibe, smoke out with me.
So now I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on. Once again, this is their EasiContour unit. It does have 5 wefted clips. I, however, will be using the 4 on both sides of the V. I won't be using the clip that's in the back of the V. And then I'm just going to place those clips really close to the part, not too much on the part. You do want to be very careful to where you're not ripping through your hair. Then I'm going to adjust the drawstring in the very back, making sure that I tuck my natural hair inside of the cap. Now this is what the hair looks like. I'm just going to give it a few passes with my flat iron just to kind of get rid of any kinks that may have developed in this unit. Now I'm going to attempt to blend my natural hair in with the unit. Now my hair has been silk pressed, and this is probably about a 2-week-old silk press. So I do have some oils and a little bit of residue caked up, but for the most part my hair is blending in flawlessly, and I was definitely impressed. I just hit it with the flat iron just in the section in the back. I didn't do too much, and I just brushed it over the unit. Now I'm going in using some of my gel, just gonna brush down my baby hairs. And this is what this EasiContour V-part unit is giving. I definitely love the color. Y'all can't even see where my hair and the wig meets. Everything just blends in so naturally. Now I left my roots semi-textured just to kind of give it like that natural look, and I also kind of kept my edges semi-natural as well, to where this wig will look super duper natural, as if I grew it myself. I love kind of like the peak of color that kind of comes through. It looks so gorgeous against my skin tone, and this Yaki texture definitely mimics natural silk pressed hair. It blends in perfectly with my natural hair. It's super soft. I didn't get any tangles or any shedding to be concerned with. Now this hair hits around my waist area. Once again, it is 24 inches long. You guys can see how you can just kind of wear this unit. I was able to tuck it behind my ears, exposing my hairline, and it looks so natural. Y'all, no one's gonna think that this is a V-part wig. They're not gonna think that it's a wig, period. But again, I like to kind of give you guys a few different styling options. I'm just gonna do my old faithful. I'm just gonna throw this one up in a clip just to let you guys see just how versatile this unit is and how natural it looks. I am definitely a huge fan of it. But once again, you guys do check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. Y'all definitely take advantage of their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. Once again on Amazon, save you guys some coins for the holidays. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.